Alright, these are the tools you'll need. A standard sledgehammer, just a small handheld. You'll need to take your post and back it up against a curb or some other item that's going to prevent the post from sliding as you hammer on your shoe skirt. With the shoe skirts offset, we want to line up with the C-beam between the post, and then we're going to tap it in. Once you've gone a few inches, you can actually use the post's weight to help you hammer it down. And it's ready to be bolted to the concrete.